Today I'm just spending a little time in the kitchen, cleaning the surfaces and making everything feel a bit more put together. I'm using a soft cloth for this, nothing special, just something simple for everyday cleaning. I like to start from one side and slowly move across the surface, keeping the movements smooth and even. I don't rush this part, just taking my time and going over everything step by step. The cloth picks up all the light dust and small marks, so the surface starts to look cleaner right away. I move along the edges and corners as well, so nothing gets missed. If I notice any spots that need a bit more attention, I just go over them again with light pressure. For me, it's more about keeping the space maintained, not waiting until it gets too messy. Now everything looks clean and even the space feels a lot more fresh. Just a simple routine, but it makes a quiet difference in the day. See you soon, my beautiful ones.